Here's an update on our Postie bike build. Installed the tail lights, indicators, put on the fuel tank, run the electrical, the harness and that through. Got all the wheels in, looks pretty good. Headlights a little bit scrappy on that. I might take it apart and clean it, see how that goes. We've still got to do the switch blocks, clean them out. A little bit grubby. Nice bars. The original bars were a little bit bent, not too bad, but I thought we'd just find a pair of handlebars that are a lot straighter, clean them all up, nice paint job. Wiring harness has all been refurbished, new tapes, new covers on the wiring that comes through there, that goes into the harness there, the battery and all that. It's fuse for the battery. Installed the side stand, brake lever, all the brakes are done. Your mate Jack gave us the hand to get all of this done. Thanks Jack for that. And what our plan is tonight is to finish off the engine. We've just done the detail on that, and that's it there. I've put brand new bolts in the side covers. I just hate those Phillips head screws. Polished up the side cover, done a little bit on the rocket cover, painted it black and made it look nice. I thought it was alright, so we're just gonna do the other side, the clutch side. And we've got the cover there. It's a cover for the clutch. So that'll all just go on to there. So we'll get all that done and we'll install that into the bike and everything will be hunky-dory, I reckon. Thanks a lot. Here's a overall view of the bike after it's all done, and we're just about on the home stretch. Put on the carby, crash bars, foot pegs, everything's there. Probably do the bars tomorrow and see how we go. Tidy up the wiring, tidy up all that. We'll cover that with some shrink wrap, really big shrink wrap, so that's all covered by the cowling anyway, so that goes down there. And then we'll fit the battery. All of the fuel lines are in, can't see that. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching it. If you want to, you can click like. If you don't, that's alright. So we're all hunky-dory.